everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We're on our way to Zone 7, which is a dirt bike track, so we can go and watch some dirt bike races, because it is Mini Moto. I'm here at Zone 7 and it is just an absolutely crazy blast. These oaks are insanely quick. Oh, I can't believe how fast these guys are. I've just had a look here to see what all is going on, and man, oh man, is it insane over here. So if you're like me that doesn't normally go to motocross races, you might not know that motocross races, or at least these motocross races, are actually timed. So I had a chat with one of the marshals at the start line, and he basically explained to me that how they work is they have about 6 minutes, and so each session runs for 6 minutes, and then he watches the time and then calls last lap when they've reached the 6-minute mark. They've got this really insane relay race that they're busy running at the moment. It is mind-blowing. These guys are basically running in teams of 2, got to run a lap and then swap over, and it is like the most craziest thing you have ever seen. It is absolutely insane. Goodness gracious me, what a blast this has been. Well, that pretty much wraps up the racing here tonight. So the guys are all going to load up their bikes and then head over to the bar here for a prize giving. I'm going to stick around, maybe see if I can catch on with some of the festivities and see what's going on here. What an absolute blast. Also, huge thank you to the marshals, because they don't get the credit that they deserve. They do an amazing job at keeping this track safe for people to ride. I had a heckload of fun filming. I had a heckload of fun chasing around all the bikes to get some really cool shots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this dirt bike related content by leaving a comment down below. If you want to catch early access to my videos, you can check out my Patreon page. The link is down in the description, and that just goes a heck of a long way in supporting this channel. Life is going to throw a heck of a lot at you, but just remember, whatever it does, don't look down, look ahead. And until next time, ride safe.